I'm coming to buy Erica's book. Hello.
Hi.
What's poppin'?
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
My name is Erica. I'm here from New Jersey.
Oh, I heard about you in this book. I heard about the
That one is All That Glitters. That's my first book. And this is A Woman's Scorn. That's my third book.
Y'all, we should get this.
Y'all all can get it, and really y'all all can share it. If you put your $2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, oh, it's a friend. Maybe 3, 6, 9, 12. We're gonna get a something like that. Well, I have nothing to do with that, but I most certainly sign it for you.
Oh, this is my guys. Do it come with money in it?
No, but you can be on YouTube.
Oh, for real?
What's your name?
I'm Cartisha.
I'm Tatiana. I'm Priya. I'm Danielle.
And you ladies are from here, from Hampton, Virginia?
I'm from Hampton. We're from Richmond.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And how old are you guys?
I'm 14.
I'll be 15 on Sunday.
15.
14.
So you like to read?
I like to read, but I like to read what I want to read, not no Romeo and Juliet.
Well, I'm sure you could, I mean...
But this look like
I mean,
you
not
in a relationship or
right.
something. You like, oh no, like I ain't having that and all this. What you about?
Okay, that one actually, the character, she is a married woman who's pregnant for the third time. She's lost 2 children already because of her husband's infidelity. So when she finds out that he's still cheating on the same woman, she loses her 3rd child, she kills him, and she becomes a serial killer.
Okay.
That sounds.
This
So
one,
she gets
she
fed up
gets
with
revenge, but revenge has never been sexier than that, ever.
it. That's you it.
But this one is kind of for you pretty ladies that, you know, need to understand you can have fun in life, but it comes with a cost. So while you're having fun, you have to enrich and nourish your brain, your mind, and your soul, because if not, then you'll just be a pretty girl with nothing upstairs, and that's not good. And that's what these characters learn. All That Glitters means that, you know, it's nice to, you all look so nice, but I want to make sure that you have something inside, because that doesn't always cut it. Looks are not everything, okay?
All right.
All right, so what you gonna do?
Well,
These colors.
That's absolutely right.
They've called
Why you call
Well, all right. While we discuss what we're gonna do with the books and me signing them, just do a little short commercial for these books for me.
All right.
All right. Okay.
What we gonna say?